Alright, we got the good old Newport Vessels trolling motor. We are going to take this part and we are going to put one of those red plugs on here so it connects to the other red plug. Simple as that. If you wonder why I use 6 gauge, this is what the motor comes with, 8 gauge. So obviously they felt it important enough to put a heavy duty wire like 8 gauge on here. So for a little run that's about 8 feet from the battery, I thought it would be a pretty good idea to step it up a gauge. And that's how it's gone. Yeah. So this one went in. So we're going to crimp it back against what we did before. Oop. Let's spin that. There we go. That ought to do it. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Okay. Snap. Let's see how our little quick connect works. Yeah, we got some sun today. It's cold. All right. Forward, reverse, forward. It looks like it's a success. Nice heavy duty connector. All right. You better have strong hands if you're gonna disconnect that. have a properly wired electrical motor. Down there for a moment. Put your protective cap back on there. Same on the other end. Not in the water now. Especially if you live near the water and your canoe's going to be sitting out on your dock. Make sure you always cap that off. Just keeps them from getting corroded.